Imagine a large company, a sprawling enterprise with thousands of employees. Each person relies on technology to do their job. They use Microsoft Office for documents, Teams for meetings, and Azure for their cloud infrastructure. But what happens when something goes wrong? When a critical system fails, or a software bug brings productivity to a halt? Who do they turn to? It's a situation we can all imagine. The frustration of technology not working when you need it most. This is where a special kind of support comes into play, a system designed not just to fix problems, but to prevent them. It's called Enterprise Account Management. So what is it really? Think of it as a dedicated partnership. It's not about calling a random helpline and speaking to a different agent every time. For a large enterprise account management means having a designated team, a familiar group of experts who understand their specific business inside and out. They know the company's goals, the technology they use, and the challenges they face. This team acts as a single, consistent point of contact for all their technical support needs, especially concerning complex ecosystems like Microsoft's suite of products and services. They are the bridge between the massive tech provider and the client. This isn't just about waiting for a problem to arise, it's a proactive relationship. An enterprise account management team works to understand the client's future plans. Are they planning a major software upgrade? Are they migrating more services to the cloud? The account management team is there to guide them, to offer advice, and to ensure that these transitions happen smoothly. They are advocates for the client within the tech support organization. They fight for their clients' needs and ensure their voice is heard. The question is, what would a company do without this dedicated guide in the complex world of modern technology? For businesses that have invested heavily in Microsoft products, this relationship is vital. From Windows and Office 365 to Dynamics 365 and the vast Azure cloud platform, the potential for complexity is enormous. An enterprise account manager specializes in navigating this ecosystem. They help the client get the most value out of their investment. They ensure that the technology isn't just working, but that it's actively helping the business achieve its strategic objectives. It's a deeper level of service that moves beyond simple break-fix support and into the realm of true strategic partnership. It's the secret sauce, the unseen pillar holding everything up. So, what does an account manager actually do all day? Their job is a constant balancing act. They are part problem solver, part strategist, and part relationship builder. Their day rarely looks the same twice, but it is always focused on the health and success of their clients. An account manager might start their morning by reviewing the latest support tickets from their assigned enterprise. They aren't just looking at the number of tickets, they are looking for patterns. Is a particular issue recurring? Is a specific department struggling with a new software rollout? These insights are crucial for getting ahead of bigger problems. A large portion of their day is spent communicating. This could mean leading a weekly status call with the client's IT director, providing updates on ongoing issues, and discussing upcoming maintenance. It could also mean emailing a summary of performance metrics to the client's leadership team, showing them the value they are receiving from their support contract. They translate technical jargon into clear business language that everyone can understand. They have to ask the tough questions. Are we meeting your expectations? What can we do better? This constant dialogue builds trust and ensures everyone is on the same page. Beyond the daily check-ins, the account manager is always planning for the future. They are the client's strategic advisor. They might spend an afternoon researching a new feature in Microsoft Azure that could save their client money on data storage. Or perhaps they are coordinating with internal engineering teams to schedule a critical security patch, ensuring it happens at a time that causes the least disruption to the client's business operations. They are constantly thinking 3 steps ahead, anticipating needs before the client even realizes they have them. It's a role that requires foresight and a deep understanding of both technology and business. At the end of the day, the account manager is the client's champion. When a high-priority issue, a SEV1 incident, brings a critical business function to a standstill, the account manager is the one who springs into action. They escalate the issue to the right technical experts, they provide regular updates to anxious stakeholders, and they don't rest until the problem is solved. They are the calm, reassuring voice in a crisis. We have to wonder, when the pressure is on and millions of dollars are on the line, who would you want in your corner? This is the essential human element they bring to the world of tech support. What does it take to build an effective account management program? It's not something that happens by accident. It's built on a foundation of key principles and supported by powerful technology. The first and most important component is proactive engagement. This means not waiting for the client to call with a problem. It's about reaching out regularly, sharing insights, providing training on new features, and conducting regular business reviews. It's about building a relationship where the client sees the account manager not as a firefighter, but as a trusted partner in their success. It's a fundamental shift from a reactive to a proactive mindset. Another key component is providing tailored support. Every enterprise is unique. They have different goals, different risk tolerances, and different technical environments. A one-size-fits-all approach to support simply doesn't work. Good account management involves creating a customized support plan that aligns perfectly with the client's specific needs. This could mean providing specialized support for a custom application they've built on a Microsoft platform, or offering dedicated engineers who have deep expertise in their industry. The support feels like it was designed just for them because it was. Of course, none of this would be possible without the right tools and technology. At the heart of it all is the customer relationship management system, like Salesforce or Microsoft Dynamics 365. This is the account manager's central command center. It stores every detail about the client relationship contact information, past support issues, meeting notes, and future business opportunities. It provides a complete 360-degree view of the client, ensuring that anyone who interacts with them has the full context. It's the single source of truth that makes coordinated, intelligent support possible. Alongside the CRM, specialized ticketing software like ServiceNow or Jira is essential. These platforms are used to track every technical issue from the moment it's reported until it's resolved. For an account manager, these tools are more than just a to-do list. They provide a wealth of data that can be analyzed to identify trends, measure performance against service-level agreements, and pinpoint areas for improvement. By using these tools effectively, account managers can turn raw data into actionable intelligence, helping to make the support experience better for everyone. These platforms are the engine that powers modern tech support. So we've seen what enterprise account management is and how it works. But why does it matter so much? What is the real impact on a business? The answer is simple. It creates immense value that goes far beyond just fixing technical problems. First and foremost, strong account management leads to increased client retention and loyalty. When a client feels understood, supported, and valued, they are far more likely to continue doing business with you. They see the relationship not as a cost, but as a critical investment in their own success. It changes the conversation from how much does this cost to how can we do more together. Furthermore, it has a direct impact on the client's operational efficiency and productivity. Think about it. When technical issues are resolved faster and even prevented from happening in the first place, employees experience less downtime. They can do their jobs without frustrating interruptions. Major projects, like a migration to the cloud, are completed more smoothly and with less risk. This translates into real, measurable savings and allows the business to focus on innovation and growth rather than constantly fighting fires. It helps them get the maximum return on their significant technology investments. Good account management also serves as a crucial feedback loop for the technology provider itself. Account managers are on the front lines, hearing directly from clients about what's working and what's not. They can relay this valuable feedback to the product development and engineering teams. Is a new feature in Microsoft Teams confusing for users? Is there a demand for a specific capability in Azure? This real-world insight is priceless, helping the tech company improve its products and services for all its customers. The client feels heard, and the products get better. It's a win-win situation. Ultimately, strong enterprise account management builds something that is very hard to quantify but incredibly powerful: trust. In a world where technology is complex and business stakes are high, having a trusted partner to call on is invaluable. It provides peace of mind. It turns a transactional vendor relationship into a strategic alliance. When you face your next big challenge, who do you want by your side? A faceless corporation or a dedicated partner who knows your name and has your back? The answer, for most successful enterprises, is clear. US Cloud is the alternative trusted by 50 of the Fortune 500.